The 2019 bond included upgrades to our technology infrastructure to assist personnel with the day-to-day running of the district. Included in the bond program are individual classroom phones and cybersecurity measures to ensure our student and staff data are safe.
Technology is constantly changing, and if you do not refresh it, then you can't keep up with all the new things that are happening.
When I started back in 1997, nobody ever heard of the word cybersecurity. Now it's in everyday discussion now.
The goal of 2019 is to maintain the operational integrity of the network by doing additional upgrades with an increased focus on cybersecurity. The goal is to have a cybersecurity framework from core to edge, to where we protect our student data at the core of the network all the way to the edge. We began our initial deployment with the Leonard Brodigan Center, where we currently have a pilot of our VoIP technology. We plan to, in spring of 2020, expand our pilot to include a high school, a middle school, and an elementary. Summer of 2020, we want to install phones in the classroom throughout all locations.
Currently, we're standing in the Network Operations Center here at the Instructional Support Center. This was our initial Network Operations Center, but we're actually standing in the expansion that we've done over several years as our needs have increased.
So this area that we're in is our infrastructure team. We manage all of the route switching, phones, internet access, anything that has to do with zeros and one passing through our wires, we manage that. The screen directly behind me is telling us about the cyber attacks that are happening throughout the world. And then the other screen that we have up there is a screen that allows us to see where all the traffic inside our network is transversing. We'll know if there's a situation before anybody reports it to us.
We recognized cybersecurity was a key issue, and the legislature also did, and they passed bills, and our bond already addresses these issues. We're trying to make sure that students have access to the tools they will be utilizing in the workforce. It enhances learning and what they will see at the college level, and we are protecting our students and their data.
Thank you.